learned many things well. I know my first and last name. I know my colors too. I can tell you what street I am on. I can say all the animals in the zoo. So glad we went to preschool. We'll never ever forget all the friends we met, all the pans we wet. 3 cheers for preschool. Hooray! Preschool, I love you. My boys take it back, and my girls curse. Thank you. Have a seat for your diploma. Now we just want to hand out. Let me see those. Yeah, I wonder if maybe I'll do the parents first. Stay flat right there. I want to thank some of you. I know it's hard because a lot of us work nowadays. But some of you, whenever I ask something, you were Johnny on the spot to Sandy what you need. Not a problem. You almost was begging me for things to do.